And good morning, welcome back to a brand new video. So the storm has landed in Blackpool, so we're gonna have a look along the promenade, along around the streets and see what damage this storm has done. So come and join me. So we're just near Dale Street, starting off, and the wind is certainly getting up now as the storm starts to hit its peak, and it's in for the next 48 hours. And you see this is the new the building site. And it looks everything is secure at the moment with that one, but it's certainly worth keeping an eye out for that, because all the scaffolding could go any time. So we're going to hit the promenade and have a bit of walk around the town centre. So we just hit the promenade just in the central pier, and it is very, very hard to even get your breath with this wind. You can hear it swirling around. So apologies if the audio isn't brilliant. It's coming up red on the mic just with the wind. So we're going to head on between Central and North Pier, just see how the Christmas market is paired up, as well as the other streets. At the moment, I've just taken a bit of shelter, just getting my breath back, because it probably won't be, you won't think it's windy, but it's really hard to talk, even just to walking through, as the wind just takes your breath away. You see there's a load of these bins all collapsed, so we'll try to move further on, but you just hear the wind, and it certainly sort of pushes you along. So it's not too bad going. It's coming back. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare. So the rain is holding up at the moment. And wow, you can just hear the wind. It is certainly strong. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm not going to go near the sea line, I'm going to go near the shops and end up getting blown straight into the sea. So we're going to head towards like the shop line, and then possibly have a look at the Christmas market. I'm sure if you can make out, but it looks like the terrace bar at present is held up with these with this storm, so it looks like there's no damage to the terrace bar at present. So again, we've just taken shelter for a few moments, as it certainly takes your breath away with these strong winds. So again, we've nearly we've gone past the central, head on to the Christmas market. Did you notice the signs? I mean, they've been dragged into the road. Like, there's some weight on those, and they just like in the middle of the road now. Like I said, we haven't hit the Christmas market. Like I said, apologies if I keep stopping. It's just grabbing my breath back. So we'll carry on heading towards the markets. We just arrived Blackpool by the sea, and you can see there's quite a few things already fell down. It's poor lights. It's about 6 AM in the morning. Let's just whip the camera around. You can see the star flyer. It's not fallen yet. It's still there. We'll carry on, have a bit of a walk through the market. And to be honest, it's actually quite sheltered. Those windbreakers are certainly helping, because it's like the other side of the road, it's a hurricane. It's really, really bad. You can't get your breath. You can see all the baubles. Let's have a quick look. All over the floor. It's probably not very good light, because it is very, very dark still. But the trees are all fell down. Baubles over, but it is. It's not too bad here. Like I said, those windbreakers are certainly doing the job. So the Christmas by the Sea is saved for this year at the moment. And you see that's the comedy carpet. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to head into town and let's have a quick look at the Blackpool Tower. You can see the tower is all lit up. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is head into town and let's have a quick look at the lollipop. Look at that. You can see that's on a 45-degree angle. Look at that one. Near the old market, shall I say, on Bonnie Street, not Christmas market, the old market. And you can see, whip the camera around to the right, you can see all the fencing has come down on this one, and these are certainly swaying, or there was swaying a minute ago in the wind, and these could end up on the roadside. So we just landed just near the outskirts of the town centre. You can see all the fencing on this one. It's completely gone down, but at the moment there's no significant damage caused by Storm Darragh at the moment. So we're going to have a bit of a walk in town. We might head over to a bit of a different area, but you can see, like I said, that's certainly a bit of a hazard because there's a lot of large holes which is being dug out probably for the electrics or water mains. So if you are around the town centre, just be very, very careful. So this is Abington Street, and it's where the old job centre used to be. Apologies if the picture's not good. It is reflecting with all the water and rain. It is still about 6:30 a.m. in the morning. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to head on, just have a whip down this alley. You see bins are being sort of flung everywhere. But there's no shop signs down or anything major at the moment. The wind is getting up. It's quite sheltered in some parts of Blackpool, but we'll keep heading on into the town a little more. See, normally this is full of table and chairs, and looks like they've taken those in probably as a precautionary measure, because you know they don't want to be sort of flung all over the promenade. So it looks like they've taken those in, I'd imagine late last night. You can see, you know, even this bad weather, the council cleaners are out picking all the debris up, and as I've said many times, you certainly take your hat off to those, even in the eye of the storm. So you see parts of some Christmas tree is rolling around. You see it's all gathered over there. So I'd imagine that's from the Christmas market. You see the baubles, all sorts. So just near Trilogy nightclub, you see all the decorations has come down off that one. I'm certainly not going to touch that because obviously it's full of electric, but they've come down, and again, sort of just be careful when you're walking along the town centre. There's all sorts flying off the roofs, and in one of the houses you see the whole of the board has come down. Let's have a quick look, and you can see where it's blowing now freely through the whole of the house. Look at that one. Like I said, the board is completely rotten, and like I said, it's now whipping right through the house. So that could be quite dangerous, you know, with the howling winds inside, and there's smashed glass on that window. So just be very careful. It's the Carlton Hotel, the abandoned Carlton Hotel. So we just hit Cleveleys, and we just had a bit of a drive through the town, so it looks like there's no major sort of damage or anything at the moment. So it's going to, like I said, just nip a little bit near the promenade. Again, it's very, very windy as the storm starts to just to settle in. And yeah, like I said, there's no major damage at the moment in Cleveland. It's just all the signs of blown down roadworks. Like I said, there's some some sort of sketchy things in regards to sort of shop signs. You know, sort of hanging off, but you know they're still there. But we can't bring you everything. This is just a bit of a short update. We'll be filming throughout the day, bring you all the development. So if you do enjoy this video and you want to stay tuned, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Any comments, I will try to get back to you. Don't forget, hit that notification button as well. And like I said, we'll be back out later on. There is a high tide around 2 p.m. in Blackpool, so we'll certainly bring you that from the Promenade, because imagine that's going to be very, very high. And yeah, so until later on, take care. Only venture out if you really need to in this horrible storm. And it's a bye from me. Until later on, take care. Bye bye.